Hey there, future millionaires! If you're looking to supercharge your investment game, stick around. Don't forget to click the link in the description below for an exclusive discount just for you. Alright, let's dive into Nexo. Is it the ultimate tool to skyrocket your crypto investments or just another digital dud? Nexo is like the Swiss Army knife of the crypto world. It's packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about the Nexo wallet. It's not just any wallet. It's a high-yield savings account for your crypto. Imagine earning interest on your Bitcoin, Ethereum, or even stablecoins like USDT. And we're not talking pennies here. We're talking up to 12% annual interest. That's more than your traditional bank gives you by a long shot. Next up, Nexo offers instant crypto credit lines. You can borrow cash or stablecoins without selling your precious crypto assets. Need some quick liquidity? Just use your crypto as collateral and bam! You've got access to funds in minutes. And the best part? Interest rates start as low as 0%. But wait, there's more. Nexo also has a user-friendly exchange platform. You can swap between 300+ market pairs with ease. And the cherry on top? Zero fees for crypto-to-crypto exchanges. That's right, zero. Now let's talk security. Nexo is like Fort Knox for your digital assets. They've got military-grade security, top-tier insurance, and they're fully regulated. So you can rest easy knowing your investments are safe and sound. And hey, for those of you who love the finer details, Nexo has an awesome loyalty program. The more Nexo tokens you hold, the better benefits you get. We're talking higher interest rates, lower borrowing rates, and even better exchange rates. It's like a VIP club for crypto enthusiasts. Okay, let's sum it up. Nexo is a powerhouse in the crypto finance space. It's got high interest savings, flexible credit lines, a top-notch exchange, and rock-solid security. If you're serious about growing your crypto investments, Nexo is a must-have in your arsenal. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description below to get your exclusive discount and start maximizing your crypto gains today. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity. Thanks for watching and happy investing.